Yo, 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 what is crack-a-lacking, you fucking legends? It's your boy, Chava28, playing more Dark Souls. We are gonna teleport. Wait, is this where we are now? I don't even know where that is. Oh, firing shot. Oh wait, so what the fuck is that? Let's teleport here. I'm just teleporting all over the place. We're gonna go back and fight that ice monster. We're gonna call him Icicle Doge, because he's like a doge with a big long tail. It's more like a lizard, I suppose, or maybe an ice dragon. I don't know. I do not know. Is this the beginning of the game? Is this where I started? No, I don't even know where I am. Shit. I teleported to an unknown area. That could have been a mistake. High Wall of Lothric. The good old roll through crates. Everyone. Yo, that dragon's alive. Yo, that dragon is alive. I can see its wings moving. No, I can't. I can see, I don't know, like Ebola fumes coming off of it. I need to find a bonfire. Oh, hello, bonfire. I hear whispering. Whispers of darkness. How is there nothing here? This is like prime position for a hidden item. Prime position. Are these guys still alive? They're on here. No, that would have been cool if they were. Okay, so I was wrong. Lighting a bonfire does not give me ember, so I'm guessing. Okay, I can still travel. Right, let's go to the Cemetery of Ash. I don't know what I get off of the Ice Doge. Oh, no. Dark miracle taught in the Cathedral of something. Right, I'm coming for you, Doji. We're going to beat the Ice Dog. Get some souls. Level up enough so we can use the Uchi Kutanu. Hey, hey, how you doing? We're going to go around so we can at least dodge one enemy. Oh, what? It's this way anyway, ain't it? What the hell am I doing? Oh, Chava, you retarded man. They ain't got nothing on me. I'm too cool for those kiddies. Oh, so running through the water doesn't actually take down your stamina. I like that a lot. Hey, Ice Doge, you look pretty cool. I do like you. I got nothing against you. Wow, that was close. I still don't do that much damage, and he still does half a life bar to me. I'm just going to drink just to keep my health topped up, you know? I like that you go slow motion before I actually jump in. Come at me. Come at me. Oh, he's got like a sick ice beard. Or ice helmet. Or ice face veil. Oh shit, that was a quick attack. You need to have like a wind up to it. Oh, you broke your icicle teeth. I feel bad now for attacking you. I'm scared. Come on, hit me. Oh, don't hit me. Don't hit me. Don't, please. You're too strong. Wow. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. I'm gonna heal up once more just to keep my health at the maximum it can be. Oh shit, get out of the way of that. I don't know if I walk into that ice, does it hurt me? So far, so good-ish. I've used up all of my... Oh, what am I doing? Because I'm not even blocking. I could have just gone double-handed. He probably would have been dead by now. Hello? Oh, back up. Can you do a roly-poly, please? Oh, a jumperoo. Oh, I I can deal with that. I can deal with the good old jumperoo. Oh shit. That was close. That was a quick one from him then. I'm scared he's going to do that really fast slash. Yeah, that. Miss me, now you got to kiss me. Whoa, don't breathe on me. Ice Doge smoke, don't breathe this. Fuck you then, I'm just gonna fucking wail on you. Hadouken! Oh, he gave me a Titanite scale. Wow, that is... That's a lot of fucking souls right there. Uchi-Katana, here we come. Yeah! Sploosh. Oh, I did damage. Let me just get myself nice and wet, you know. I wonder if the environment on this game affects certain things. Like if I was covered in water and faced him and he breathed ice on me, would I instantly freeze and die? That'd be pretty fucking cool if it did do that. Because then if you was like fighting Flame Man and the area around him was covered in oil. If you stood in oil and then got it on you and then he set you on fire, you burnt and it took extra damage. That would be pretty cool. Pretty cool, yeah. Yeah, pretty cool. I used up all of my soul, my abandoned soul things. Oh, I thought she was fucking gone. The dude's gone though. Oh, he's over there. Love, don't move, please. You scared me. I thought you was gone. Very well. Then I thought you broke my dreams of Uchi-Katana. Right, that's Uchi-Katana done. I might put on my equipment load just for shits and giggles. Yeah, let's just do it. I don't really... What does this bitch in here sell? Anything delicious? Oh, wait. I'm going to see... Right, my weight ratio... Equipment load is 28. If I put this on a secondary slot, it does put it up. I really don't like that. Oh, what the fuck is FP cost? Fucking FAP points. Start? No? Alright, wrong button. So I go here and then just go this button. Explanation of FP cost. Yes, alright, you didn't tell me what FP is though, do you? What the fuck is FP? Firepower? Flangellitis? It doesn't even do that much more damage, but it causes bleeding. Durability is only 35 though, that's bad. But it's a fucking katana. Let's test out the moveset. Bam, shabam, shabam, shabam. So the same set of left, right, left, right, left, right. Ultimate. Ultimate, what the fuck am I doing? Can I charge this? You can? What? What? Shablams, that's forward. Okay, there isn't a backwards one, I don't think. Okay, forward and light. I got a kick. Kick is always helpful for kicking hard enemies and bosses off the edge levels. Because, you know, bitch tactics. Wow. Yes, I've came for your services. Honky sucky $10, yeah? I don't know if that's what I'm already wearing. It seems like this is my already wearing gear. So just a chain set with leather gauntlets. Is that what I'm already wearing? Shut up. I wasn't talking. No, it's definitely not what I'm wearing. Oh, Assassin's Hood. I'll just keep on what I got because obviously it's going to weigh less. And it looked like the game was going to crash then. It did not. Right, so we're going to the High Wall of Lothric. And when I get 20,000, I'm going to come back, fuck leveling up. Apart from I need to level up, you know. I just really want to know what's in that tower behind the shrine. Like, I really want to know what's in that tower. Like, that tower behind the shrine, I really want to know what's in it. Like, I really want to know what's in it. I'm just going to batter these guys. Hadouken! Hadouken! Okay, so the Uchi-Katana does 78 on a standard strike. That's the same kind of enemy over there. Let's just whap on the S-Dock. Yo, 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 brother. Yo, brother. 69. 78, so it's only 9 more, and... Wait, I hear something behind me. I fucking knew you was there, you little turd. 67 on this guy who's wearing armor. One strike takes it down to just under blue. There's going to be a lot of this analyzing shit going on, just to let you guys know. And that kind of takes it down to the same. It's got less durability, but this attacks faster. Let's just attack all these pilgrims. I'm poor, sorry guys, I just need to take your life. Fucking hit him in the butt already. Oh shit, he's getting angry now. Right, let's take this item. Yeah, they don't. Those soul things don't give you much. I will tell you that now. I really don't want to accidentally hit that dragon. Like, because if I accidentally hit that dragon, I might be in for a world of pain and agony. Fuck it, I'm not going to. Hadouken! Secret wall right here. Shabloop! Secret wall right here as a door. Shabloop! Oh, I got both of you. On guard, my brothers. Oh, shit. We need to ride the dragon up. Like that makes a crackling noise. I do like the sound of Rice Krispies. Snap, crackle, and pop. I thought that was a person there then. What the fuck is even down here? So what is the point in dropping down here? Is there a door there? No. There is a door there though. Or a window perhaps. Can I take a seat? Nope. Right, let's go up. You can't trick me if you've got a lantern attached to your hip. Come on. Come on! Just slash him up! Alright. I hit him. I hit him. I killed him. I did it. Are you proud of me, Mum? Binoculars. I gotta be binocs. I gotta be binocs, grandfather. Let's have a look around. Why would they give them to me here? Just so I can have a look like over there maybe. Be like, yo, we can go all over this place. Who cares? Unless you use binoculars to find secret walls and you look at a wall and it's like ba da ba ba da ba ba da ba ba da ba ba. Hold on, how many homeward bones? 2. Okay, I'm gonna drop down. If it's a dead end, it's a dead end. No, it's not a dead end. Sweet. There's Uno guy there. A doorway there. A guy there. Right, 1 down. There's got to be more than 1. Hey, I'll let you do your like showcase of breaking box. He's like, hey, I can break boxes. I'm gonna show off when the next guy comes in the room, and then he's just gonna push my body down the hole. I'm glad they brought back ragdolls. Ragdolls are 10 out of 10 in every game. 10 out of 10 would throw ragdolls again. Give me fire bombs. I like fire bombs. I like bombs and fires. Yo, wake up. You're not dead. You can't be dead. You're a dragon. I thought it was someone at the bottom, but it was just that guy I threw down. What you got for me? More souls? Come get some shield, man. Oh shit, that reach was long. I need to do up. Oh, need to do up my Estus flasks because they are pretty poop right here, right now. How about that? I'll take you out one by one if I have to. Pap, pap, padoop. You see that dodge? All I know is that I know that there's a dragon gonna come. So spoilers, because I know stuff. Oh, fuck's sake! Come get some. Come get some. Oh, okay. He's got a wide attack. You can keep your fucking arrows and you can stick them right up your ass. Actually, no. I might as well go mow him down in it. Is Bartholomew coming out to play? Hello. Oh, hello. How are you? No, calm down. I'm just here to play. Don't even... Oh, this guy's got a shield bash. Are you serious? I don't have any anti-block attacks. I like that his shield's upside down because he's spastic. He's retarded. Oh, shit. Let's use this real quick. Oh, I couldn't... I could take him. Even with this amount of health I have. This guy, though, is doing my head in. Fuck you. I know your game plan. No! Oh, shit. I didn't know my stamina was that low. I probably could have got the back attack then. But I didn't want to risk it. Whoa, that sounded fucking amazing. It's like, whoa! Back attack, you fucker! Oh my god. Even though I got the back attack, he shoved my shit straight back in my asshole. Alright, I need a drink out of my sippy cup. It's not a sippy cup, I lied, it's just a fucking bottle. And I've run out of drink. Great. The guy that dehydrates faster than Sam. Just talking with a mouthful of drool. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Can't believe I got hit there. That's a piss take. I don't like this fucking poke. Because I can't hit guys who are on the floor. I'm sorry if I burst your eardrums then as well. Where's your friend that gets up and tries to stab me in the fucking spine? There. You. Thank you, you're dead. Why have you got like a broken sword handle? He's got like that shitty sword. I don't think so. I took you out once, I'll take you out again. Or not. Right, that guy's down. Go take out Boxman Sam. Okay. I see your game plan. Your game plan failed. We don't need to use a ladder. Yeah, I didn't take any damage. I think I'm going to go up top, you know. Just dodge all of those guys so I don't have to fuck with them all at once. That was annoying a minute ago. It just took way too long. Come on. Come on. Come on. Wait a second. Oh, they are all still there. Okay. Why is he just backing up constantly? I'm going to fucking stab him in the throat with a blunt axe. You can't really stab with an axe, I know, but still. Fuck you and your bow. There's the dragon. He's gonna fry everyone and everything. Oh shit! You almost fucking got me then. Hey, hey, stab, stab. He likes giving me free souls. It's like his thing. It's just what he does. Yo, look at those items up there. Oh my god. I need to get him to breathe fire down here. Then the second he finishes, I'm gone. Here he comes. Run! Yeah, I got enough stamina to get up here. Sweet. Sweet. Wait, shall I lower this guy down there? Yo. Bro, follow me. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Come on. I'm ready for you. Yoo-hoo. Pussy boy. Alright, so you do that when I look away. I see, you're like trying to wait for me to get spooked, then... No. Alright, we're going down now. Fuck it, let's go. We're running. He's still after me. I need to keep him here. Sorry. No, it didn't hit him. Yo, that's some bullshit right there. I'll wait for him to back up and get quite far, and then I'll start heading toward... Alright, I'm not coming, don't worry, I'm not coming. Oh, I'm sorry. He's just like, I'm going to saunter. Not anymore, you're not. Because you're fucking dead. Run! That was some sick dodging by yours truly. Even though I was a million miles away, I know. I'm just trying to amp it up. Make it sound a lot better than what it actually is. Oh shit. Whoa. Why have you got more health than the rest? And you. And you. Right, so I'm guessing this is locked. Yeah. I need to go through the front door to be able to get in. There's one guy there. Well, that guy seems pretty fast. Throwing knives? Okay. Bonfire ahead. I'm waiting to get tricked by one of those and just walk out and then be like, oh shit, that ain't a bonfire. That's a dragoon. Okay. Oh. Can I get up here? I reckon I could glitch my way out there. I guess not. I need a bow and arrow so I can just pap him. I remember you could do that on the first Dark Souls dragon when you shoot him from the first area in the game. And it will just kill him in one hit. It made no fucking sense. You shoot his tail. His tail falls off, gives you the dragon sword, and then he dies. He either dies or flies away. Either or. Oh, so that guy's just there. Ta-da! So far, this has gone pretty well. I hear you. I knew I could hear him. You really want to fuck with me, do you, boy? Poke! Poke! Oh, shit. Oh, shit. My stamina went down. Fucking poke. Wow, that fucking flopped. I got a dagger. That flopped horribly. I heard that. I can hear that menacing breathing as well. This right below me. Right, he drops down. I reckon there's more than one guy. My souls, though. I really don't want to lose my souls, mate. Fuck you! Fuck you! I don't even need to lock on. Oh, try range battle. Fuck you! So they both say try range battle. With who? Oh, I know with who. I don't have any ranged things. Thank you very much. Are you coming up? I guess not. I just want to read what that said quick. Oh, switch action, read thing, or blah blah blah. Yo, dragon. Right. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go. Should I go down? Fuck it. Fuck it, innit? Fuck it. Oh shit, that took off all my stamina when he did that. This guy's no joke. I'm just gonna wail on him because I got enough stamina to do it. No, I don't. See you in hell, motherfucker. Whoop, 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 whoop. I love the ragdolls. They're so fun in this game. It's locked. Anything in here? I was waiting to see like a crazy little titanite. Try forest. What the fuck is forest? Forest fucking Gump. So what the fuck is forest? You can kiss my ass. I knew that was gonna happen. I didn't roll back in time. I still got 2 Estises though. Come on, you little fucking turd burglar. He's a turd burglar. Ha 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 ha. Fucking roll! Fuck you and your bombs. Fucking bomber man. Ooh, hello. I'm coming through. Oh, it's a window. Is that a window? It's a window. I thought it was going to be some cool little like... I hear you. One man. One man. It's one of those fucking fast dudes as well. Not anymore. He's a dead dude. Ha 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 ha. Mailbreakers. The Mailbreaker then better than the S-Stock. It's kind of the same weapon, I believe. Wait, what the fuck? It looks... Oh, that ghost in the corner of my eye spooked me the fuck out. So it weighs less. Why can't I turn? I don't know what's going on with my chair right here, right now. Right, so it weighs less. Let me put this on. That could be a bit better. Nope, that's fucking worse. Let me put this one back up. Right. It's got better crit. But the attack is fucking poo. So that can kiss my ass. Right, we're going to go back to the Firelink Shrine. But I'm going to cut it here as well. If you liked this episode, smash that like button and leave a comment below telling me how the fuck to level up my characters properly based on attribute bonus. Because I have no fucking clue, really. Because back in the day when I played a lot of this, I just played. I completed both Dark Souls 1 and 2. I didn't do the DLC for Dark Souls 2 because it was just not very good, the first one anyway. But, yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next episode. Peace.